Whispers of Wanderlust,
This
a
is-
tranquil journey
Look.
with Raimy. Hello, fellow wanderers. Today,
I see
I
monster.
invite you to join me in a behind-the-scenes glimpse of our tranquil journey by Donna Lake. As a mother, my travels are woven with the laughter of my little one and the comforting presence of our furry companion.
Yep. The water washes off.
Yeah, I will. I'll rinse off. Rinse it off. You gonna dig more?
Yeah.
Every journey begins with the careful choreography of packing, a dance of essentials and cherished items, a harmonious blend of anticipation and nostalgia. Amidst the whispers of the wind and the gentle lapping of the water, we embark on a journey, creating memories that will linger like echoes in the corridors of time.
Let's go back up.
I want to spend a little bit of time right here. Because we spent a lot of time in the snow. And now I kind of want to sit in the sun and enjoy the shore.
As a family, we revel in the simplicity of discovery. Each step unfolds a new chapter, a shared adventure that weaves into the fabric of our wanderlust-filled lives. Here by the tranquil waters of Donna Lake, time slows down. It's a sanctuary where the spirit of adventure dances in harmony with the serenity of nature.
It's a good day. We played in the snow.
Let's try to make dots here. Almost up.
As Triton gracefully strolls along the lakeside, he carries an ice scraper, artfully painting the rocks with water, orchestrating a symphony by delicately striking the rocks to create a melodic dance with nature.
It might be.
Snakes walk hard.
They do like hot. I don't know if the
The male walks.
yeah, I don't think there's very slowly there might be rattlesnakes getting closer at the elevation, but I don't think we have
Snakes here.
yeah.
See, I did some water.
You did. I don't think so.
Our faithful companion, a four-legged friend, adds a layer of joy to our explorations. Together, we embrace the beauty of the world, creating a tapestry of experiences. Picnics by the water, surrounded by the majesty of nature, bring forth the joy of simple pleasures. A feast for the senses, a celebration of togetherness.
Zoe! Whoa!
Oh my goodness.
You want to fall.
Yeah. Don't do that, Eddie.
Ah!
Triton begins to get Mum's attention by now getting her with the water.
I don't want to leave water.
I'm watching.
Ew. Ah, that's not very nice. Can we not do that, please? There you go. Wow.
A man passes by using a flyboard gliding along the still water.
Gunky water.
The game progresses to getting Mum's hair wet with the water of Donna Lake.
Out of my head. Like this way. Over this way. Where my hand is.
You pull your hair.
Alright, no more. Okay.
It's grass I turn.
There's a worm over there. The cut up worm. I think it's for fishing.
It's a white.
Can I put water in your hair?
Okay. This is my hair.
Oh, this is my hair.
This one.
Like this. What do you think?
Yeah. Stop. That's enough. That's enough. Yep, it. You spark. When you here. Look. Stand over. Stop that. Then you spark. Okay. Go up here.
I don't want to go that way.
No, it would spark.
I want to be over here.
It would be buzz.
And I'm the spider.
Ding. Ah. Buzz. Buzz. Yeah, oh no. You tricky.
Tricky, Lovey.
No, I'm a
I
big.
wonder what causes that. From the pop of words.
Buzz.
Just be me.
No. No. These spiders right here.
Everybody gets.
Skate.
As we wander, let me share some travel tips and hacks that have become the guiding stars of our adventures. Practical wisdom woven into the fabric of our journey. Cultural experiences form the vibrant hues of our travels. Whether it's tasting local delicacies or immersing ourselves in traditions, every moment is a brushstroke on the canvas of our memories.
You spark.
No.
No, you're not touching me.
I'm not close enough to you. I just want to stand some of that. So just stand here.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, I'm supposed to be in agony.
I don't know what that is. What's that called?
It's a bee.
While playing the game of Spider versus Bumblebee, we spot and rescue an actual bumblebee out of the water.
I found one. Here. Where's that trapping at? It's stuck on his back.
I don't see
Bumblebees have a metabolism requiring them to eat of around 20 minutes, so time is of the essence.
He's gentle. He can sting you.
Not yet.
He has his pudding. He's trying.
Bumblebees are mostly only aggressive in the spring.
He's trying to catch you. He's on his back. Then he happy.
He's up right now.
He happy then.
They have a metabolism of about like 20 minutes. So if they don't eat within like 20 minutes, they die.
No,
I don't see anything flowering. It's just
See,
Even better odds there.
Then we have this too. Sting!
Oh my gosh.
No, I have this.
This is your stinger?
No. This is my stinger.
As the sun dips below the horizon, casting a warm glow over Donna Lake, I'm reminded of the beauty that unfolds when we embrace the world with open hearts. Until our paths cross again, fellow wanderers, may your journeys be filled with serenity, joy, and the magic of discovery.